Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Rao and today I have brought another unboxing video, that is LS2 Thunder GP AERO helmet. So here is the box. So inside the box it comes with one extra visor. It is supposed to be black, but I had it pre-installed in the helmet, and one pin lock that is also installed in this visor. So I'm going to show it to you. This is the visor that comes with the helmet, and this is the pin lock that is already pre-installed in here. And also in this box you have this bag, one how do you say, it's like a neck support, but it's for the helmet, this one. And then this, you install it for on the visor. It's for racing, but I don't think I'm gonna do any racing in that. And here it's the stickers for blood group and reflective stickers. And I have this L key, and the pin lock comes inside this wrapper, but as you can see, it's already installed there. So without wasting time, I'm gonna open the weighty box for this. Okay, in this bag, another protection, another bag for the helmet. So here it is. So this is the helmet, LS2 Thunder Carbon C GP AERO. You can see it here. My size is M. Looks pretty good. Okay. Whoa. Just unwrapping. This is the button to open this. Ventilation, another ventilation, another one, and here. Okay, so let me try this. Let me know how this looks in the comment box. Yeah, finished.